This is a baluster from an 18th century building. This is a blonde sandstone type from a building in Ayrshire, quite a significant building called Dumfries House. This baluster was in a bridge, and it's just the bottom half, and it was really badly vandalized, and that's all that's left of it. So we can match the stone to this for an existing stone type, which can be used to either reconstruct the balusters or repair if there's enough stone left, and put them back in place and restore them. My name is Emily Tracy. I'm an architectural historian who is a research fellow placed on the BGS Building Stone team in Edinburgh. What we do with the Building Stone team is we try and match historic stone types with stone that is currently available today. If you're using stone which is of different compatibilities or different characters, different compositions for restoration work, it can actually enhance decay. So we're trying to raise awareness and ensure that people know that there are different stone types. These are a bunch of samples that we have in our collection which helps us with matching so that we can identify a possible match for restoration work in historic buildings. The geological diversity of the British Isles is extremely diverse, one of the most diverse in the world, in fact. And the building blocks of our society, of our towns, our villages, our cities, is basically just beneath our feet. So you can begin to create a historical timeline, if you will, of our architectural heritage according to stone types. This process also helps us provide stone matching for new build as well, and construction sites that are in very historic areas that would like to not necessarily blend in, but just maintain that local character and that sense of place.
And this is the block that we obtained, and we will be doing thin section analysis to try to find a stone, currently available stone, that will match perfectly well.
This is a sample that we took earlier from the site. It's a masonry block right directly out of the wall. We can take it out of the wall, turn it over, take a core from the rear of the sample, put it back into the wall so that no one even notices that we took the sample. We then take it back to the lab where we cut the sample right in half. We get a thin section from the sample which we then analyze with a microscope, and that tells us the DNA of the stone type for future matching with existing stone types today. Historically, our stone types were exported around the world to the United States, to Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, etc. So a recent surprise would be we were just looking at a statue of Robert Burns, which was carved by Greenshields, a sculptor in the 18th century in Scotland. And that statue was exported with a family when they moved to Australia. And we were able to reopen the historic quarry that was used to carve that stone, that statue, and it's now being shipped to Australia to fix it. I think the most rewarding part really is just talking to people who are completely unaware of how local, where their house came from, you know, where their school came from, where their church was built out of, and how locally sourced it used to be. So it's really just getting involved with the local community and teaching them about their heritage and raising awareness as to how special it is because it's so close to where they were brought up. The scale of quarrying as an industry and the industrial heritage behind that, no one else is really investigating that and looking into that as much as the Building Stone team at BGS is doing. So it's very crucial work that's going on here, and just raising awareness and making people aware that that information is out there and that we're trying to provide that to them.